Welcome to Good Faith Energy, where your energy goals and needs are our top priority from our first contact with you to any post-installation needs you may have. I'm Omar, Director of Engineering at Good Faith Energy, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you the extensive process of engineering personalized solar systems for customers like you. It all begins when a potential customer reaches out to us with their goals for their home or business's solar project. Our sales engineers work closely with them to create a preliminary solar design that not only meets their energy and design needs, but also offsets their electricity bills. Once the initial design is in place, our FAA licensed drone pilots conduct an on-site scan of your property, capturing 200 to 300 detailed photos of the roof. These images will help us see every angle and feature of your home to get the best estimation available. These photos are then uploaded to Scanifly, a premium design tool that utilizes photogrammetry to create an accurate roof model, considering factors such as shading, roof tilt, azimuth, fire code setbacks, and solar access. This tool is one that allows us to create the high level of customization that you'll want for your home. Myself and the engineering team can now use this information to create a precise roof design, ensuring optimal placement of solar panels for maximum energy production. We also advise on the strategic location for backup batteries to enhance resiliency for our clients' homes, all while complying with local regulations. Once our customers are happy with our team's proposal and signed with us, we transform the drone design into a comprehensive engineering permitting package. This includes all the necessary drawings for city permits and utility interconnection, along with documents for potential utility rebates such as the Encore incentive, which can save you up to $8,000 on your system. Our engineering team remains on call to support our installation teams, ensuring a smooth process. We work closely with our clients, project management, and sales team to confirm satisfaction with the solar panel layout and the location of the electrical equipment. After installation, our field applications engineers conduct a thorough post-installation walkthrough at each site. We demonstrate how clients can monitor their system's functionality and production. Additionally, we perform an off-grid test to simulate a grid outage, ensuring our clients are well prepared for any scenario. At Good Faith Energy, we're not just engineering solar systems. We're empowering our customers with sustainable energy solutions that they will use for years to come. I'm Omar, Director of Engineering at Good Faith Energy. Thanks for going through the engineering process with me and the engineering team. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more behind-the-scenes action with Good Faith Energy.